Okay, the whole screen is getting recorded. That's very good. So, welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineer. This is the first task what I want to discuss with you, and then I will discuss the whole internship program. Okay. So, okay, all of you can see the screen that I shared, right? Okay. I hope all of you can see the screen. So, this is the website of Vardhan Consulting Engineers. What you guys need to do is go through this website and go to this page, internship 2021. Okay, and like when you go to opportunity, also this page will come. So go to this page, internship 2021. Click on here. Okay, and your first task is to watch this complete video. This video is of 1 hour. Okay, this whole video is of 1 hour. There's so many sections divided, but I want you
Could
to
start
watch.
to end this.
I want you to watch this complete video. Okay, because people don't watch this complete video and then they ask the same questions again and again. Sir, what is the benefit? इसमें क्या होगा? उसमें क्या होगा? This, that, blah, blah. So many things. Okay, and this is your task. You are not watching this video for me. कि हमारा view बढ़ जाएगा. You are watching this video for yourself. You are watching this video to understand what kind of internship you are doing. Okay, and when you see a lot of people updating their profile as they are a Vardhan Consulting Engineers intern, okay, they have got a certificate and they got placed in they got selected in CAT, GATE, or many companies and all. Okay, so what kind of learning they are getting, what kind of advantage of doing this internship? So this first video is for all of you guys to visit and watch, right? The second task what you need to do, okay, the second task what you need to do is to visit, to join this internship group. Like we have a VC family group. Okay, to join this VC family group, that is the second task. A lot of people don't join. I don't know why. They're using Telegram but they don't join. Okay, that is the uh, second task you have. The third task that you need to do is like this is the screen that I have shared, right? All the information regarding this internship is there. When you go through this whole video, you can understand that this is a pre-internship talk video. Now, let's go to the training portal. This is the training portal link. All of you guys need to go to the training portal. Okay. Now, in this training portal, okay, you have sign in and register. You need to click on register. You need to click on register. Make your username. No, never write your username. Never use a caps in the username. Username should be small letters, like suppose Ashish 2112, right? And then type your password, type your email ID, whatever, and then repeat your password and click register. Then you will get registered here. When you get registered, then you can sign in. Like suppose right now we are using Neha's login details. When you sign in, when you register, you will be open like this. Okay. So right now there is one course already she taken. So there won't be any course here. Okay, you need to go on programs. Click on program. So there are so many courses are there already. All these courses are absolutely free. Okay. So courses means what do you mean by courses? So what happened that to manage the internship, to manage the complete program, right? And to manage so many people, we created this online portal where we put our tasks, where we put the videos, where we put give you all the details of about the thing. So it in a proper channel you will start getting learning. Otherwise, like 2 years ago, when we didn't created this training portal, we used to give the task and all on emails. एक email गया is the first task, second email is the second task. So that creates a lot of confusion. Okay, so this is proper, right? So suppose if you are doing an internship in marketing, so you click on marketing, go through the details. Okay, she already has subscribed, so it will show subscribe here, right? So clicking on this subscribe, it don't charge you any money and all something. Okay. Okay. So you can subscribe and then go to the lessons, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the first lesson. There is a video related to this lesson. Okay, there is an internship info sheet where all the details are there. Let me click the info sheet. Yeah. All the details related to the internship is there. Your internship schedule, your whom to contact, who are your coordinators, HR manager, mentors. All these details are there in the internship info sheet. Again, this info sheet keep on changing, but the link is always same. That we are going to change this internship little bit, maybe tomorrow. Okay, and you need to watch this video, and then you need to go to the smart task folder. So there is a smart task folder where there is a smart tasks are there, corporate formatting in the module 4, live project list and all this thing. So you need to go to the smart task one. Okay, it might be possible this format is getting changed. Maybe tomorrow you can see another format, but the things are same, right? The smart task one, what you need to do, the smart task one is already there. When you finish the smart task, then you need to go to the task submission window. That link is already there in the internship info sheet, and submit the task submission window. Then second is smart task, submit the smart task. Third is smart task, submit the task submission window. Okay. So when you submit 3 tasks, then you can okay, when you submit the 3 tasks, okay, then on the 4th, that is the final task, you need to prepare a internship report, complete internship report. But it won't be a normal report. The report should contain, it will be a very um, the report will be a corporate formatted report. What kind of corporate formatting you need to use, we will give you the idea about that in the module 4 about the internship. Okay, so this is what you need to do in this internship program. Now, the first question people ask, that what the tasks are tough or easy or something like that. See, the purpose of having this internship is to fill the gap between the academics and the corporate. Okay, but it is not the first attempt to fill the gap. You guys have done a lot of other internship here, there, so many companies and all, right? But the only issue people face in internship, hmm? The only issue people face in internship is like they got the project, but they never get the mentor about the project. They never get mentored about that project, and especially if the project is core sector related. That is the biggest issue all the interns face. Okay, so what happened that suppose when you join a company and in the first day they give you a project that you need to prepare a discounted cash flow valuation financial modeling. People think that, oh wow, that's a very good project we need to do. It's a life project. It's a project that is very important and this that. Or if you get a project like related to equity research of Tata Bhushan Steel or any other stock, like you can take any stock, right? You can take Exide Industries, right? You think that wow, what is very nice. Then your next question, all the interns ask that, "Ki sir, karte kaise? How we need to do this? How we need to perform? How we need to do this equity research? How we need to make this uh, financial modeling?" Okay. Now, on one hand, interns want a project which is related to the industry. That's true. That's very good. But on the other hand, the interns want somebody to tell them step by step manner that how to achieve that project, how to do that. And here the main issue happened. Here the main thing happened. In many of the companies, like 99% of the, this is most like about 70-80% of the companies, they don't want to hire interns, right? They don't want to take any interns, discuss with them and waste time and all. 70% of the companies think like that. Now, rest of the 30% companies who are providing internship, they don't want to They can give you a project, they can tell you the project, but they don't want to spend time on you to make you comfortable enough to reach that level. That time they don't want to give. And that is the biggest problem. That's why a lot of people have done a lot of internship in many companies, big, small, right? But they didn't find it suitable enough, they didn't find it so knowledgeable and all. So we adapted those two things. We adapted the first thing that yes, we will provide a big, very respectable industry-based project for the interns. Industry-based project for the interns. Okay, industry-based project for the interns. That intern will keep uh, be comfortable. Their college become comfortable. Ki yes, as internship, they are doing something. They are doing with this company. They are doing with consulting company. As internship, they are up to something, right? तो वो दिखाने के लिए सबको हो गया कि yes, we are doing a good project. Okay, but to help the interns, we prepared the whole thing in a step-by-step manner. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 and Module 4. Okay. The understand these modules are the module 1 is the basic web search. Suppose your internship is on green building. Suppose your internship is on electric vehicle. Okay. And you have little bit idea about electric vehicle. हाँ कुछ होता है या car, Tesla, something. But we want you to do a complete extensive web search of 12 to 15 days about this electric vehicle. What is electric vehicle? Who are the big players in India? What is the news going on in electric vehicle? What is the New Delhi's new electric vehicle policy? Okay, what happened that the electric vehicle, which is that the electric vehicle which is um, auto rickshaw electric vehicle becomes so famous in India. Why? It's become so famous because all these auto rickshaw walas think about environment. All this basic detail, and the basics are not easy. Always remember, basics are not easy. You need to do of this web search using Google, using YouTube, and using our info sheet where there are so many videos are uploaded. We provided a lot of video links. Go through that was video link one by one. कुछ videos हैं जो we have selected from all the YouTube and all. Like if the intern is not able to search good videos, so we have searched some videos and give it to in that module. Watch those videos. Get a proper understanding about electric vehicle. That if somebody asks you that you have done a internship related to electric vehicle, you have something to say. Yes, I have done internship. Uh, you have done internship in electric vehicle, and this is the basic knowledge. Okay. Now the next step is suppose you get the basic knowledge, and in the next step, like suppose this internship is about making cakes. Okay, so to teach you how to make a very nice cake, first of all, the first step should be giving tell you the go to the basics of cake. Watch videos how to make a cake and blah blah blah. Second video, we will give you a ready-made cake, a ready-made understanding. In second module also there is some task is already there, but that task is related to something that is already done, right? So you have got the detailed theoretical knowledge of the cake, how to make the cake and all. But in the second module, you are getting a knowledge about seeing actual cake. अच्छा ऐसा होता है. Financial model, oh, like this. Financial risk assessment, oh, it is a financial risk assessment is done by this, like this. Okay. Electric vehicle techno commercial analysis like this. Green building and rating systems like this. Like this is how it is done. Okay. You get the idea. And in the third module, we expect you to do that same thing for a specific particular project. Like suppose if somebody tell you the financial risk assessment about financial risk assessment about related to a infrastructure project is done like this. The financial risk assessment sheet have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. And not, oh wow, this is how it is done. Now in third model, I'll say that, okay, Mr. ABC, can you please do a financial risk assessment for a project like solar power plant in Jaisalmer or wind power plant in Tamil Nadu? Do a financial risk assessment for that particular project. I don't want any extra gyan. For that particular project, do a financial risk assessment. This is module 3. Okay, so module 1, 2, 3. So when you go through all these modules, like whatever is contents are there, whatever you studied, and you will get a huge, very good knowledge about what is actually going on in this industry. Okay, now in the fourth module for all of you guys, you need to prepare a internship report, final internship report. Okay, so a lot of people ask me, sir, internship report कैसे बनाना है? 2 पेज का बना दे, 8 पेज का बना दे. The number of pages should be about 50 to 30 pages, 15 to 30 pages, like 15 से 30 पेज का. Okay, and it should have all the learnings what you have done in this internship. Trust me, this internship report is the most important part of this internship. Why it is most important part? You guys think that it's just a report, but the most important because you are making this report not for me. You're not making for me. We have so many interns, we have so many reports. What should we do? Well, we read your report one time. If it is good, we will issue certificate. That's it. Then it will be saved in some our Google Drives and all. You are making this report for yourself. You are making this report for yourself to help you, to help yourself. Okay, this report is for you. Like after 6 months, after 1 year, if you have some issues related to your company, if you have some issues related to what you have done in this internship, you are just forgetting about, you want to face an interview, you can just go through this report, main points. That's why you need to make a very nice report for yourself. We got a lot of requirement from for previous intern कि सर मैंने report submit किया था and that got lost in my email or lost in my computer or something. Can you please send me my report? I want to check. I want to read. So so that report making is also very important, and that is the most important part of this internship. Okay. Apart from this technical module 1, 2, 3, 4, when we started this internship program, there are other corporate improvement programs are also there in this internship. It's a simple program, but it's very important. When we started this internship in 2, 3 years ago, we thought that only giving technical knowledge to a student is not enough. बहुत technical मिल गया. But if you want to succeed in your life, if you want to think that people love you, people give you care, attention, they want to take yourself in their team, you need to be very good in corporate skills. If I ask this question to all of you guys, that if you if I ask this question to all of you guys, do you want to take somebody in your team? He is from IIT, very intelligent, but he is very demeaning. He never respect anybody, right? He always disrespect you, never on time, never punctual, not honest, but technically he is good. I bet nobody want to take that guy in their team. Same like other people also don't want to take you in their team if you have these kind of qualities. Because the moment you are increasing in your life, like growing in your life, more attitude towards the company, more attitude towards the corporate is matters more than the technical knowledge. That's why you can see in big companies, big colleges, institutions, even politics also, that people are in high positions. They are not technically sound, they are not technically best, but they are able to achieve high positions. Okay, so that is the thing that so that's why there is 3 corporate improvement program. First program is corporate skill development program. There are 4 or 5 videos are there. You need to watch it and make a summary. Second thing is pre-placement training program. Okay, there are so many things I thought that pre-placement training, pre-placement guys need to have. right? The placement training need to have. I know a lot of colleges provide placement training, maybe paid, maybe free, whatever. They provide placement training. But the problem with those placement training is they provide placement training. So, but the problem with those placement training is that, so a lot of time the placement training is provided by the some people who are in their in education sector only, not from the corporate sector. Okay, so they never know that what exactly the company, the education, the corporate needs from the students. And then I found out that it's very important that we should provide something placement training. These also have, I think, 3 4 videos are there. The third corporate improvement program, which is going to launch in maybe today or tomorrow, editing is going on, is smart personal interview preparation. What happened that for last 6 months we are taking a lot of interviews for our clients, for our company, and I find out that there are so many students who are very good technically. They have done a lot of internship, training program, Udemy, this, that. Okay, they have done so many things, but when they ask, when we ask a small few normal questions about them, they are fumble. They fumble about answering simple questions. They easily got trapped. So because of that, what happened that, and they are, if somebody asks the question, they're like, they need to just answer the question and that's it. They never think that what they are answering is giving them marks or negativing their marks, like something adding or subtracting from their profile. I asked that, tell me about yourself. You have done a civil engineering, how the civil engineering helping you in MBA and finance? What, where you can see after 5. These are simple, this question, simple questions they are not able to answer. So then I find out the root cause of it. I spoke to many interns and they told me that the root cause is not because of COVID or something, right? The root cause is they got a lot of gyan. First of all, they didn't get a proper knowledge about what to do in the internship, what is the steps of the, what to do in an interview, what are the steps of the interview and all. Second problem is they never rehearse. They make the CV and just send it. They never hear that on that CV somebody asked me about that thing, what I'm gonna tell them. On that CV, if somebody asks them that tell me about your academics or something, what I'm gonna tell them. They think that if this is an interview hoga, that day I will directly talk to them. I can manage. But usually they won't. Most of the guys, they're like, see, I understand that on the interview there is some kind of nervousness is already there. On the interview there's some kind of uh, issues are already there. The internet is not good, this, that. Some issues to hamesha rahenge. Nervousness is there. And apart from that, if you have not rehearsed, if you have not prepared well, then definitely is not gonna help you. Second thing is, most of the interviews are taken for rejection, not for selection. Out of 100, if somebody is rejecting about 98, it's a process of rejection, right? So that's why this third corporate improvement program we also included. And you need to finish these things also, these corporate improvement programs also. It's a simple 4 5 videos are there, nothing much. So anyone have any doubt? I want to take the doubt, and before you ask anything, tell me about yourself, like in 1 minute. What is your name and what you are doing, which college, which course? Okay. And bebak hoke, you can ask any doubt with me. That I'm here to answer everything. So the first Manogya Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Hi Manogya, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. So Manogya, tell me about yourself, and if you have doubt, I want to clear.
As of now, I have no doubt, sir. I'm doing my MBA in International Finance and Accounting from CMS Business School, sir.
Which school?
CMS Business School, sir. Jain University.
CMS, Jain University. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And I've did my BA from SC University,
Hmm.
and I'm looking forward to learn more about financial modeling from this life project.
Of course, you will learn.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Nidhi Sharma, Nirmala Jain, Nishkarsh Gupta.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nidhi.
Sir, I have no doubt as of now,
Hmm.
but I have started my internship from 15th,
Hmm.
sorry, 16th, and I have completed the first module also.
Good.
Uh, I'm also studying in CMS Business School,
Hmm.
and I'm from Manipur, currently studying banking, finance, and allied services.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. So my name is Nishkarsh.
Hi, Nishkarsh.
So currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor undergrad from in Bachelor's of Business Administration,
Hmm.
and I'm from Lucknow.
Which
And
college you are in?
I'm Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm also pursuing cost and management accounting, CMA. So that's all. So actually, I wanted to. I have missed the first part of the session. I have joined little late. Can you tell
No,
something?
it's getting recorded. I will upload in the in that thing, and you can
Okay, okay,
check. Yeah, it's getting
okay,
recorded.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yes. What is your name?
So my name is Tanya Pandey, and currently I'm pursuing MBA from Prestige Institute of Management and Research.
Okay. Hi,
Sir,
Tanya.
hi, sir. Sir, actually, my internship started on 1st June, but I was not able to uh, attend any of the sessions or doubt clearing sessions because uh, we have many internals and exams going.
Mm-hmm.
So, sir, I just wanted to ask, like, if I start right now, can I do all the things which I have missed?
Yes, yes, you can do. So we made this internship very. See what happened that when we started the internship like 3 years back, I was very hard on interns. Somebody missed a call, somebody missed a group call or discussion. Okay, we used to remove them from the group. We used to not entertain those interns. Then slowly, I find out that me being in corporate in profession, it's easy for me to manage my calendar, right? But for interns or for other people, it's not very easy, right? They have a lot of other things, students, night, day. So then we relax a lot, a bit. Then relax a lot. Then relax so much that because the knowledge matters a lot rather than to be on time and these things. Yeah, and it's an online internship, so no issues.
Yes, sir. Sir, so I will get all the information on the portal because I'm not receiving any mails.
Yeah, mostly on the portal. Okay, okay, and maybe tonight we are gonna update the portal a bit. So it's better we can create a account on the portal and then start using the portal from tomorrow. It will be easier.
Sir, I'm not receiving any mail, so should I do something about it? Like,
No,
should I
no, you
reach?
can do something about. No, you can. You didn't receive the mail for this orientation also.
No, sir, I never. My session was on 1st June,
Oh, so
as
that's
I
right.
said.
So you send an
But
email to
for
our HR, and she will find out that if your email is correct in our system or not.
okay, sir, because of the 1st June session, also I didn't receive any mail.
Oh, okay. You
Okay,
send an
sir.
email
Thank
to
you.
our hr@techverden.com.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Ishank Chaudhary. Sir, I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh,
Hmm.
and I am pursuing BTech from Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology.
Hmm. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt that I have applied for this internship program.
Hmm.
Sir, what is our first priority or what should we do from starting? Can you please explain because I have joined a little bit late.
Yeah, so you can go through this session later on. We already recorded it. Okay, the
Okay,
recording
sir.
is going on, so you can go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Good evening, sir. I'm Pavitra here. I'm currently pursuing MBA in finance from CMS Business School, sir.
Hmm.
I have a doubt regarding the first module, sir.
Hmm.
Is the website related to any particular topic, or do we get any information in the initial video you told about?
Yeah, yeah. You will get all the information about first module. Okay, you create your account on our system, and I think today we will update. That's why we didn't send you the old. Usually we send the info sheet with the offer letter, but right now we didn't send because we are updating a little bit
Yes, sir. So we'll get all the information of
on
first
the online
module in.
portal only. Online portal. So
Yes,
create your account in online portal. Take the courses that you want. Okay,
yes, sir. Thank.
that's it.
Sir, till now we I have received only one mail from your side that is acceptance of my
The
offer.
terms. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have got a link that this institute is announcing this internship program. So I have registered from which field I have to go, and I have completed all the tasks. So where do I need to particularly register about myself, sir? Please tell.
Oh, no, there is a on. See, we have a see we have a website techvardhan.com, and in this techvardhan.com go drop down. You can go through the website, see what we are doing. You go to internship, watch this video complete. You'll get to know a lot of new things, and then go to training portal. This is the training portal, and there you need to register. Okay, let me sign out because we are signing in. So there here you need to click register and then register. I already explained this in before. Anyway, next question. Anybody want to know
Hello.
that in the HR internship what should be there, or uh, equity research में क्या होगा and all. Anybody want to know that those kinds of questions you have, or you can ask later on. And one more thing. So how we get interacted, how we interact with the interns is we already have a lot of recorded videos. We already have a lot of selected videos that we selected from YouTube that is related to the field and very important. There's somebody else created the video, so why should I create another? But every week there will be a live session for question answer. Every week, once in a week we have a live session. 100, 200, all everybody can join, and they can read, and we keep on continuing that live session until unless everybody's doubts are cleared. Okay, so you can ask any doubt. So this is live session. Second thing is we will provide you my number and Telegram ID, but don't call me. But you can send me a WhatsApp message or Telegram message. I prefer Telegram, so you can get my contact details, and you can send me a message on Telegram. Related to admin related queries, you can ask our coordinators Anshu and Celesti, and there are few or more are joining. You can ask our HR also, send them a message that this is my issue, please resolve, and something like that.
Sir, you said that we have to join the VC family group in Telegram. I'm already in that group, sir. That's what.
Yeah,
you
the
meant.
same group. So that information I give you so that everybody else will join. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, Siddharth.
Yes. My name is Siddharth Kakani. I've just graduated in BCom from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata.
Hmm.
I'm from Odisha, and sir, I want to know about the learning references. Some learning references are given in the website and in the module. So, are those enough, or should we go
No,
for
no,
more knowledge of
no.
something?
We will give you more learning references when we are updating our website this night. So you will get more learning references. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
and other than these learning references, you can go to website and search. Go to Google and YouTube and search and get the knowledge.
Thank you, sir. And in those learning references, I saw there are some PDFs, 3-4 PDFs for each module. So in that PDF, sir, there are so many pages. So how should one go through?
No, that is Siddharth, that those are not textbook. They are references. Like reference के लिए तो see when you go to a professor's house or when you go to a lawyer's house, they have so many books, thousands of books they have, but they are not textbook. They are reference. They get the knowledge about law. They graduated in law, but they got all this book for reference. Okay, so if something that they are not able to understand, they go through that reference and finish it. Okay, so that is what reference means. In internship, then nobody will give you a textbook. Nobody gave me a textbook till last 10 years. Okay.
Yes, sir. But I have to go through I have to read all the references, right?
So you can go through it. Okay, if you find that is
For
very important, you can read completely. If you don't find much important, you can. There is no need. That's the reference,
okay,
not a textbook.
okay, sir. And for this, I also saw the message for the 6 month internship. I asked you earlier also. Should I ask now that doubt?
To what? What is your doubt?
So in that 6 months internship, you told that the modules are same, just the time gap is extended. So I saw that there's a major project also. So
Yeah.
can you
So
tell me
what?
about the
See
project?
why we started 6 month internship from last year. So what happened that few of the students come to us because we never interested in 6 months. This is too long commitment, So 2 months is more than enough. But they keep on coming and say, "Okay, sir, in my college we need to do a 6 month internship, which is very important and blah blah." And I also want to learn. I don't want to do in somewhere, that just get a certificate. I want to learn, okay, and I want somebody to help me in the major project. And when I create the major project, maybe I will go for publishing it. Okay, so that kind of help. So we started 6 month. So people are doing 6 month internship.
So if I want to get more knowledge, what do you suggest me? 2 months or 6 months for this? Because the
No, see
differences of the project.
the point is 6 month is mostly people are doing 6 month with us because they have a college kind of requirement, right? They have a college kind of requirement. The college requirement is 6 months, so here they get the certificate, they show it to the college. So when we suppose the college say that you need to do a 6 month internship, all of you guys, 6 months, go and do in the next industry. So you sitting at your home, suppose in Manipur or maybe in Delhi also, how you get a 6 month internship? How you get, and you don't want to go do an internship with somebody that they just give you a certificate and no knowledge. That also is like wastage of time. So then they come to us and we will give them complete knowledge, and so they will help. We'll help them to grow and all, like to understand the things. So that's the thing. If you don't have any college boundness and all, I think 2 months is enough. Because
Okay, sir.
once you
Thank you.
get an offer letter for 6 months, you can give it to the college and say, "Ki sir, मेरा यहाँ पे हो गया. I find out the 6 month internship." Then the college is shut up. You are enjoying your life. You are getting no knowledge. So everything is like managed with 6 months. If suppose you didn't get an offer letter, you didn't go, the college keep on pushing you, right? This, that, blah, blah. So for settlement of everyone, it's better to do 6 months. But if there is no college requirement, you can do it 2 months, and that's more than enough.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, this is Shivani I'm doing MBA from Jain University. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, actually, you told that website will be updated today, right? So I have actually watched a video yesterday, like module 1 related. So, like, again I have to watch it, like if you update it, any new things will be added or
No, no, new things will be added that you need to watch, but which what you already watched, you don't need to watch again.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, I have one more doubt. Like, I have taken some finance remodeling.
Hmm.
So, if I want to take like corporate skill development, can I do both or only one course at a
No,
time?
no, no. You can do all the course.
Okay, I can select any course among them and say, do all the modules, tasks, and submit.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so one more thing because it's already 40 minutes in the call. And this is just the first call. I don't want to talk a lot of things about this, that, and you got become scared. Okay, what is this internship or something else? I want to make it very light, easy. Because internship is going for 45 days, and slowly you will learn, right? Try to keep peace in yourself, right? Don't start sending messages a lot. This, that, what happened, this, that, right? We are here, you are here, and we are here to help you. So one thing I would like to explain you guys. Some of guys ask me about admin benefits and all. Okay. Okay. So I think it is my responsibility. So
Yes,
to,
sir.
yeah, Jaslyn, tell me.
Good evening, sir. So myself, Jaslin Datta,
Hmm.
and right now I'm pursuing PGDM in Research and Business Analytics from Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research, Indore.
What is your, you
Sir,
are doing research and business analytics,
yes, sir.
MBA in research and business analytics.
Yes, PGDM, Post Graduation in Diploma in Management.
And Jaslyn, what they are teaching you there?
Sir, there in the first semester we have completed marketing, basics of business analytics. Then there were business communications, soft skills were there. And right now in this semester, recently we have covered quantitative techniques, operations management, research methodology, digital marketing, Python, and
Are they teaching you business intelligence also?
so it's in next semesters, upcoming semesters, AI and BI.
Because if they are teaching you BI, then I think
Yes,
we
sir.
should hire somebody in from Prestige. Because I was looking for there are a few other clients also. They are looking for people who are doing MBA in business intelligence and business analytics.
Okay, sir.
That's why when I heard that, then I asked that what they are teaching you. Anyway,
Yes,
what is
sir.
your doubt?
Yes, sir. Core is research and business analytics only. Yes, actually, my doubt is I have already registered right now on the portal, and I can just see here that the first one is about the web search, second is on a case study sort of thing that have been given that we have to do in HR management. I have applied for HR management,
Okay.
but in the fourth task, I'm unable to find any task for HR management or
Well, the
HR
fourth
intern.
task is making a report. Okay, so then
Okay.
when we update today evening, then you can see the fourth task also.
Okay, sir. So all these documents need to be uploaded where? Means on the drive itself?
No, in internship completion form and internship task submission window. You will get update
Okay.
from today night. No issues.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay,
That's all.
Jasleen.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So I was telling about admin benefits. Okay, so see, I would like to share my point with all of you guys because you are now a part of VC family, right? So if you are a family, you understand how this whole thing works. Okay, so what happened that we started this internship 3 years back. It's a small story, one in 1 minute, and we are not. That time we didn't charge anything. Anything means anything. They got certificate, everything for free. Okay, so that time we got interns like about initially we got 10 interns, then they liked so much, then 50, then 100, something like that. And then we start selecting interns, like out of 300 applied, we select 100. We reject 200. Hmm. Then we improved our system, then try to accommodate more interns. And at one point of time, only have one group. Like suppose one group is started November, December, so that one group is finished, then January another group is start. Then when the January group finished, January, February, and then December. So and that number of interns there is about 150, 120, 150, something like that. So we didn't charge. We have our funds. we have funds, we hired few guys, and then we can manage with our current system. But then due to COVID, what happened that in March end last year, we got a huge response. For every internship group, we got 3,000 applications. 3,000. So many. So since so many applications are there, so what happened that we don't know what to do. There's so many people who want to join. There's so many people who want to do internship, and they are really they don't have any other options to do other internship. So since they don't have any other options, so we say we can provide you an internship, but our system doesn't allow 3,000 interns, right? Because and our quality of offer letter and then e-verified certification and all these things. Okay, so to maintain that quality providing them offer letter, providing them everything, it takes a lot of resources from our side. So then we decided on May 10, 2020 that out of 3,000 we will select only 150 and we send email to them that we cannot. So we send email. We select only 15%. So only 10%. Then out of all the other 90% people, they start asking, sir, please let me do this internship for knowledge. We don't need any certificate. We don't need any admin thing. Then few of them say, sir, we want admin benefit. Something. Then we created a new midway. That those who want to learn, they're doing for learning purpose. They want to learn the new things. They can do it at our website for free. No issues in that. If you want to learn, that's free. Keep our mission going on, because we are not an edtech company. Right? Edtech companies that they charge money, this Prime subscription and this that. I thought that everybody should get a chance to do internship. Everybody should get a chance to get the learning. See what all the companies are doing. They are selecting 10 and rejecting 900. And that 10 is getting all this privilege. And what about that 900? Maybe those 900 have something. So we don't like that idea of selecting only 10% and then rejecting 90% and that 10% giving them free. Then regarding admin benefits, those who want to do admin benefit, those who say, sir, because see, in India, everybody is not poor, right? You can agree that. सबको उतना अब कहते हैं कि sir, I have a money issue, and I also used to say when I was in college. But everybody not so. Everybody say कि sir, yes, we can provide, we can pay a small admin fee. If that admin fee is required to hire more people, to buy more server space, to buy more Google enterprise solutions and all, so we will pay that little bit. So we keep that amount as minimum as possible. 400, 500 rupees, that's it. Then somebody says, sir, we'll pay you a little bit extra. Can you please courier that certificate to me? Because if they want to apply for foreign universities and all, they can you please courier that? But our system, our whole platform is absolutely free for the interns. They can log in, and not for today, throughout the life. And we are keep on creating very nice content, very nice things, so that people keep on coming to us. Okay, so if you feel that like why this company is charging money and this that certification blah blah, people ask me a lot of questions like this. And if you are not asking this question come in your mind, maybe your parents ask you, hey, paisa kyun charge kar raha hai? But try to understand what you are going to learn here. That is far compensational than what you pay for the small admin benefits. Okay, so when you watch that video what I told you in the first class, that pre-internship talk video, you will find out that most of the interns come back and say, sir, after doing here, we don't need to do any pre-internship, pre-placement training. We don't need to do any other soft skill training. And that is costing us 1,000, 2,000 rupees. That is saved. Okay, so because of that, That is the story. That is the storyline. And we are trying our best to reduce that thing. Okay, so a lot of people also give me suggestions. Ki, sir, why not you go for get a funding? Now it is very easy, right? Go and funding. But trust me, friends, all these big companies failed because they got the funding. They got the funding. So होना तो ये चाहिए था कि when you get the funding as a tech startup, when you get a funding, you will improve your systems and you will provide more benefits for the consumer, for the client, for the users. But होता ये है कि since you got the funding, now you don't need to improve the system, you don't need to give more benefits to the clients because of the funding. You charge more to the client. अब 1000 की जगह 10,000 चार्ज करो, 5,000 चार्ज करो, charge more to the client, get more revenue, and the funding money is getting spent on celebrity endorsement and all these things. That is what actually happening, and that I can't allow. And that is my point of point of clash with most of the venture capitalists. And I'm saying that if you are doing a funding, then I want to make it free or maybe more cheaper because of the funding. But they are saying no. So there are so many things keep on going. We are trying to raise fund in other good VCs firms and all. Let's see. Maybe end of this year or maybe next year will be much more improved system. But right now this is the thing. Okay, for your those who started internship right now, so we have an early payment concession, because if you pay early, it will be easier for us administrative wise to manage. So there is a small early payment concession of 20%. So if you pay before 27th June, okay, so you can pay any time in your internship duration. We make a deadline of payment of 10th of July, but somebody pay after deadline also, we accept that. But the point is, if you pay early before 27th June, okay, you will get a 20% concession. Okay, so if you are well convinced with us, definitely you are going to learn a lot of things and all. Well convinced, and if you have money, you can pay early. Money, of course, all of you have, but it's the point of being convinced of doing it or not. That is the only thing. Okay. So anyway, it's very nice interacting with you all. Okay, take care of yourself. I will share this video recording with you all, and in the Telegram group you can watch it from there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.